What's going on? Thanks for checking out my next drawing video. This time I'll be drawing from Rick and Morty in the style of Itagaki with his series Baki. And also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Now for this character, I was trying to stick with his face and how his face looked in the cartoon for the Rick and Morty series and trying to implement that with Itagaki's style. And I kind of used probably, I'd say, Hanma for more of a reference for doing this, even though I didn't really do too much with the face with him. I kind of just used him as far as trying to figure out the style and adding in the detail and muscles and everything. And I was trying to like give him, I didn't want to make him too big. I just gave him like a medium-sized build, as if he kind of just was in that world and somehow made probably some super steroid that just enhanced him to the point of being able to actually handle the fighters in that little universe. But right now I'm just adding in detail, adding in the shadows, kind of like the base shadows, but I'm just using all the empty space and I'm filling it in with muscles, using the shading as a way to fill it in. That's why when I'm drawing majority of these figures, I'm outlining it more, because I know that a majority of the detail I'm going to be adding in will be with the shading. So right now I'm just adding in the chest, focusing on the torso area, trying to add as much shadow as I can to get the muscles to pop out, the abs area. And usually these characters is pretty difficult sometimes, because you're trying to draw the same style from the cartoon and you're trying to add a little more detail to it. Like how right now I'm adding in more wrinkles, and I'm trying to like I took different features from Hanma's face and added it to Rick's face, where I'm just putting in those weird musculature in the chin. Even though I kept his mouth the same, I still gave him the eyebrow, but I still kept the iconic pieces where you can still tell it's him, as far as the hair, the eyebrow. His mouth is the same. He still has the little drool, and everything else. I just changed everything else so that you can kind of just it'll look different, but you still know who it is. So right now I'm adding in that light, the dark shadow where the light hits. Adding in more, and it's pretty fun creating these type of characters, and also a challenge also, because you're trying to find new ways to draw the character. And in the way it's kind of easier, because in the way you're kind of, even though you're drawing in two different styles, it's still kind of your way, so you're still kind of it's still a little more loose and difficult at the same time. And then you see right now I'm just adding in the even more layers. Go over just a bunch of layers going across. And also, if you want to see some other characters mixed together in that type of style, you can comment down below for that also. I can try to make a list of those also, see what else I can do. I think I have a few others that I may try to throw in there that will look kind of weird in that type of style, all pumped up with muscle. And I'm just darkening out the outlines, defining the shapes a little bit more. And then later on, I'm gonna start taking these and putting them into Photoshop or my iPad to add color to it. And that's it for this video. Want to see more videos like this? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. All right, take care.